Have you ever wondered how millions of smartphones are made every day? Today, we're going inside a massive smartphone factory to see the entire process from start to finish. Everything begins with raw materials: aluminum frames, glass panels, silicon wafers, and thousands of electronic components arrive at the factory. The motherboard production starts with printing microscopic circuits onto green-printed circuit boards using advanced machines. Surface mount technology machines place thousands of tiny components with extreme precision, faster than the human eye can follow. The boards then pass through a reflow oven, where solder melts and permanently fixes the components onto the circuit board. Now the processor, the brain of the smartphone, is carefully mounted inside a dust-free clean room. Modern smartphone cameras are built using microscopic lenses and advanced image sensors, assembled with laser precision. Meanwhile, display panels are manufactured separately. Each screen is carefully layered and tested for brightness and color accuracy. Lithium-ion batteries are assembled and tested for safety, voltage stability, and capacity before being installed inside the phone. Now, all components come together. The motherboard, camera, battery, and display are carefully combined on a synchronized assembly line. Before leaving the factory, each smartphone receives its operating system, firmware, and unique identification number. Every phone undergoes strict quality tests, including drop tests, button checks, heat resistance, and performance evaluation. Final inspection ensures there are no cosmetic defects. Even the smallest flaw can cause rejection. Finally, the smartphones are packaged, sealed, and shipped worldwide, ready to reach millions of customers.